got the ducted AC down the entire middle. That way when your slide outs are in, you still have full AC throughout the coach.
Today we are at the grandfather of Newmar, Mahlon Miller's private campground with his grandson Theodore, and we are going to take you on a tour of his own personal coach. You're not going to want to miss this. Today's video is brought to you and sponsored by Ultimate Weekly Planner. Many people are overwhelmed by their schedule. The Ultimate Weekly Planner brings clarity to life, resulting in more time for the people and things they love. When life is prioritized, we find meaning in everyday activities. And you should support the Ultimate Weekly Planner because
my mom is the one that makes them, so they're pretty special. So you can go and pick up your Ultimate Weekly Planner at studio331.co, and it'll be in the link below. Oh, this is a really cool unit. This is my grandfather's current motorhome, and it has a few special features, some new options for the new ones. This is a 2020 Dutch Star 4369, and it has the 360-degree camera so you can see all around, and it has some other cool features as well. Storage for this Dutch Star is pretty basic as far as Dutch Stars are concerned. You got your freezer there. You've got a pass-through here that could have a tray, but this one doesn't. And then here you've got a sliding tray, non-electric, just pull out. Here is a tray that doesn't go all the way through, it's just a halfway. And then here's a place to store tools and hang tools on that pegboard and stuff. So this unit has an outdoor entertainment system, TV, and this thing folds out so you can get it a little closer and direct it where you want to look at it. So this thing is powered by a 450 horse Cummins engine on a Freightliner chassis. You can get a good shot of the engine. It's not as clean as it should be. So right here you have your egress door, and it's only able to open it from the inside, so we'll show you that then. Here's the depth fill, and you can fill that on both sides. Here's the wet bay, and this has the macerator system where all you need is this little hose here, and you can actually pump it uphill, so that's pretty neat. Right here is your power cord reel, and then here's your Oasis hydronic heating system, and then right here is your house batteries. And this generator is on a pull-out tray, and this is a 10K Onan generator. So one pretty cool feature about this motorhome is it has a chairlift in the front door here. So this chairlift is pretty cool. So what you do is you lift it up, the whole thing up, spin it around this way, then take that apart, fold that down, and flip it up that way, and then you're going to spin it around to get out. So you would normally strap in, and then here's your control. So you just do lift out, and that'll take it all the way down. So up here we've got the cockpit, and basic, your normal transmission, leveling, and then you have a wireless charging pad over there for the driver and one over here for the passenger. So if you have a phone that has wireless charging, that's where that is. So on top here we've got the ducted AC down the entire middle. That way when your slide outs are in, you still have full AC throughout the coach. And then you have a full wall slide that's flush floor and tile in the slide out itself. So no carpet in this unit. So in the kitchen here, we have a pull-out peninsula here that comes out there. Then we have the induction cooktop that you can remove, and then these pieces here have a cutting board on that side. Then you've got your dual stainless steel sinks, convection microwave oven, and then you actually have a little garage here as well to put stuff in. For the MCD shades in here, you have a little remote. So there's a lot of options on this remote. The one is all the day shades go down at the same time. You can also do all the night shades go down, and you can also choose individual ones as well. So if you'll notice, this furniture still has tags on them. It's kind of funny, my grandpa doesn't really care that much about stuff like that, so if anyone takes the tags off, it'll be us grandchildren, but we just haven't gotten to it yet, so that's kind of a little detail that's funny. Then over here for the table, you have a workstation where you can run your power cords down there if you have a computer. Also, this thing pulls out, so you got more extra room, and then there's folding chairs underneath the bed to put there. And then here you got your residential size refrigerator and freezer, and then a little pantry here with individual pull-out shelves. And then here you've got your midship bathroom, so that when all the slide outs are and you can't access the rear bathroom, you can use this one. So in the bedroom area, we have a 2-stage sliding door here with glass inserts. And then this full-walled slide out comes all the way back to the bedroom. And then you have a king bed. And then underneath here you have switches, so while you're lying in bed you can control lights and certain things. So right here you have your washer and dryer. Dual vanity back here in the bathroom. And you have a really nice big shower. Behind the toilet is the egress door, and then you have wardrobe space back here.
So thank you, Theodore, for giving us the opportunity to tour your grandfather's current coach. You're also on social media. What is your social media?
On Instagram it's Billco97, and on YouTube it's just my name, Theodore Hostetler.
Go check him out. Show him the love, all right? In the comments below, let us know what you think of this Dutch Star, Mahlon Miller's personal coach. I don't think this has been seen on YouTube, right?
And no.
All right, so this is coming to you first time on YouTube, Endless RVing. Anybody that's interested in a model like this with that cool chairlift, feel free to share this video with them. To the left of us, we're going to put our RV DIYs as well as our RV walkthrough tour playlist. And for myself, MJ, Theodore, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.